What's up, you guys? What's up? Hey, you guys, what's up? How you doing today? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. What's going on? Oh, my God, you guys, I miss you so much. Oh, my God, I miss you so much. I know it's only been about 4 or 5 days since I made a video, but you guys, I have just been going here and there and everywhere and trying to stay safe. I hope you guys are staying safe, wearing your masks when you go out. You guys keep following these social guidelines, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here. I really, really do appreciate you. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love having you here, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are absolutely amazing. You could be anywhere else in the gardening universe, but you choose to spend a little time with your Skinny Boy Randy, and I appreciate it from the bottom of my Skinny Boy Randy heart, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, click like and subscribe. It's down there, and leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? I love you guys. Also, head on over to my Facebook group. Check out Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, where beginners and experts are welcome. If I can't answer a question here, you will definitely get an answer over there. They are the best group. I love them, you guys. Oh my goodness, go check it out. Also, check out my Instagram and my Twitter. I don't use it much, but I'm trying to get better at the Instagram and the Twitter, you guys. How you been doing? How are you guys? I missed you so much. I've been making plans, trying to get more content for you guys. You know, with the fall being here, everything doesn't grow overnight like it does in the summertime, where you can come out and something popped up just like that. In the cooler weather, things tend to grow a little slower, you guys, so don't be discouraged with your seeds starting and your things growing a little slower. As it cools down, Mother Nature cools down, and she takes her time. And a lot of seeds, I tell people, they come out when they know it's time for them to come out. They'll stay under the ground until they feel it's time for them to come out. So don't be discouraged, you guys, okay? Well, we ain't got no money to be giving up. We ain't got no money to be giving up, because we're not giver-uppers, okay? I just made that up. But anyway, I want to talk to you today. 20 things that you can be growing in your garden right now in October. And I'm not just going to just tell you about it. I'm going to be about it, because I'm growing these things in my garden right now, you guys. And I'm going to show you each and everything that I'm talking about. Okay, so let's just go down the list, and then we're going to take a tour of the Skinny Boy Farms. And I have a huge tree out here, and we're in fall, and things are falling. So if you see a rain pour, it's nothing but leaves, okay? So first of all, as I told you before, you should have your lettuces in the ground, your kales, your arugulas, your spinach, broccoli, all of those things, your cauliflower, your turnips, anything that has a root bulb. You can even get you some carrots going, some beets, some turnips, some chard. Get your eggplants. Don't start growing them now, but if you had eggplants growing before, you guys, that's what I tell you. In the cleaning up your garden for fall, don't pull everything up, because we ain't got no money to be throwing all this good eggplant away, and I found out how to cook it too. I love me some eggplant already. So yeah, you guys, jalapeno peppers are still coming in. These are not things that I just planted, but I'm just letting you know some 20 things that are still growing in my garden. And if you've been following me, you should have a lot of these things still growing also, if you're anywhere near zone 7 anyway. But then I have banana peppers. I have some fruit trees still out here growing. I have beans, okras. I have even a pumpkin over there trying to grow. It's not doing much, y'all, but I haven't seen the pumpkin, but I keep seeing flowers. I have a great plant that we're going to transplant together on another video. I told you the choy and cabbage, cauliflower. Yeah, you guys, all of these things you could have in your garden. If you've been following Skinny Boy Randy, you should have a lot of this stuff growing in your garden now, okay? I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. So I'm not going to hold you long. Let's just take a brief tour of the Skinny Boy Farms, and we're going to start on the deck. A lot of these things you can grow in your containers, you guys, so don't think everything just has to be grown in the ground. So, as you can see, I had a pack of seeds that fell, and a couple of packs, they got a little wet and they had holes in them, so they kind of got mixed up. So I just took them and I poured them in here. And this is what I call my mixed greens. And pretty soon we're going to be thinning these out. Yeah, it's some broccoli in there. It's some collards in there. And some lettuce. But yeah, it's just a mixture of a mistake. But we don't make mistakes, okay? We have learning experiences. Okay. Now, this lettuce right here, look. Butter crunch lettuce. Doing wonderful. And it's just overcrowding this little container. Shout out to Dollar Tree. And we're going to be able to thin this out as well. I'm going to do a video on all of these items that I'm talking about, you guys. I'm going to do a video and show you how to thin this out and get triple, quadruple your lettuce. Over here is my Bloomdell Spinach. And like I said, some things take time and they come out slower. But these are Bloomdell Spinach, planted about 3 weeks ago on the 16th. On September the 16th, these were planted. Now look at some of my container gardens, you guys. My container plants, I'm sorry, that I started from seed, still growing, still producing. I'm going to harvest this, and as you can see, another flower. And we're in October, y'all, so things still grow. So never think that your garden is going to be just like somebody else's. Everybody's is different. Do what you do in your garden. It's your garden, okay? Okay, I love you guys. Okay, we got some turnips right here. They're doing pretty good. Look at this beautiful orange pepper, another plant that we started from seed. I believe it's one of the California wonders, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have some beets. Now with the beets, I suggest either you're going to leave them in here and let them get as big as they're going to get in the container, or you need to thin these when they're very, very small, because beets don't really like to be moved. Once they start rooting and it starts going down in the ground, pulling it up, it's very hard to not damage the roots. Here's some more Swiss chard. Like I told you guys, I have leaves falling everywhere, so there's no need for me to try to clean the leaves up every single day. It's just like sweeping the sand on the beach. Okay, here's some more spinach, veriflay coming up. Some of it's doing, you know, okay. Some of it's doing like it's trying to get there. More arugula. Now these are just the container items we started, you guys. These are everything that we started from seed. We have some Chinese cabbage, as you can see. Yep. We still have okra growing. This is my okra container on the porch. And as you can see, it's still producing okra. I don't know how this okra seed dropped in this container, but there's an okra plant in there. Yeah, you guys, there's a flower. Yeah, some people didn't know you could put 3 okra plants in one 5-gallon bucket, and look how tall they got. And here's the great plant I was telling you about that I bought, and I'm going to transplant that. And I'm going to make a video when we do that. Here's a bell pepper that we planted in a container on our patio. This is also part of our patio gardening, you guys. And here's some lettuce that I thinned. I thinned about 12 to 13 pieces, and they just bloom, triple in size, you guys, within a matter of days. So when you thin your lettuce out, it really does help it to just take off. It really does. Okay, so now we have our cauliflowers. Now, like I said, I'm the person who loves to rescue plants. So as you can see, I see some new growth coming in. On these are some cabbages that I rescued from the Great Big Greenhouse, which is a store here in Virginia. And excuse me, you guys, somebody wanted to call. Now always check your summer plants. Oh, we got another African Zulu plant here coming along. Some of our summer plants are still thriving, so I tell you, don't pull everything up in the summertime. Look over here, we have more of these. I'm hoping I'm capturing this, you guys. I'm holding the tablet today. Yep. And a lot of our plants that we started in the ground, as you can see, our cabbages, our cauliflowers, our broccolis, they're holding on up. And they're trying to do their thing. We even have some radishes. This is actually ready. I'll be out here doing a video to pick that. And then we have more jalapenos over here. Even your little teeny plants, you guys, you may think, oh, they're dead, nothing's gonna happen. Look at that. I never pulled it up. We have some more cabbage. We have some more turnip greens. We have some giant red mustard greens. Some curly mustard greens. These are our Georgia collards. See, you guys? hanging on in there. And look at this. I don't know where this plant came from. It may have been a seed when I planted something else, but look how beautiful and purple these peppers are. So if you know what they are, let me know. I'll try and look it up also. But yeah, you guys, just wanted to give you a quick tip on 20 different plants that you should be growing in October. If you have not already done so, get you some starter plants. If you don't have your garden that you started from seed, or you haven't started anything in containers, a lot of these things love the cool weather, and they're going to do great in the cool weather. So just get out here, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it, because we ain't got no money to keep going to the grocery store buying food, and it ain't safe to keep running around here all willy-nilly. So stay tuned to Skinny Boy Randy. I have a lot of things coming up for you guys. Okay, I love you. You're the best. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it.